The truth is, you're becoming a dream machine. You are literally speaking to existence right now. This is how powerful you are. Remember where you were. Thank you, birds, for the confirmation. I just wanted to acknowledge the view here, as this is truly my little piece of paradise here on planet Earth, and I wanted to share this magnificent energy with you. I want you to remember exactly where you were 6 months ago. Because in 6 months, you're going to be somewhere you truly want and wish, I'm hearing, to be. We're entering a timeline right now where you're going to literally speak to existence at the speed of light, 111 on the timer. And because you know who I am on this planet, I am here to help you align with your highest timeline. And that's my full pleasure to send some calls from the ocean today. And from Lemuria also to align you. First day from this fire horse, and wishes are already coming true. I want you to close your eyes right now, and I want you to literally visualize you in your dream home or your dream state, your dream country, or simply where you are right now because you love where you are, doing what you want to do. And we're going, or I'm also hearing with the person you desire to be with. If you know or do not know this person, just imagine being the best version of yourself, falling in love, even if it's for the first time. And I'm going to literally align you with this frequency right now. Take a deep breath in. Andromeda, please help me. They want me to connect with the view, so it might be very significant. You might dream of being somewhere close by the sea, by the ocean, or just in nature. Through time and space, accelerating Inviting Archangel Michael, Kukumani, Katarani, Asu, Tikia, Honora, Totari, in the Gidri, Mikasinto, Uko, Arana, Tikitika, Makata, Ingatan, not to go to Whitey. Akaya say in the Yao, Akaya, Divine alignment, divine connection, pyramids here, I'm hearing that the prophecy is becoming reality. This can be significant for someone out there. Your soul was it was just waiting for this moment. Something is coming to fruition and you've been so patient. It's like you're free, like the fire horse. The horse is free. The malediction I'm hearing is gone. You upgraded way so much to fear anything or anyone. It's too late. It's validating confirmation. These codes are going to align you with your dream come true. At the speed of light. Takes me later. And I'm so honored to be able to do this for you. I'm so honored. I'm so blessed. Helping my people. As a fellow Aquarius, you know how we love. We're so humanitarian oriented. But the boundaries must be here. This cycle that is now starting is going to blow. You're going to just switch timeline. You're just going to time travel. You're becoming somebody very, very important. You've always been actually, but now it's like you're like the hidden gem that you always been is revealed to the world. So just be who you truly are. Check my website if you want to know more. And until next time, namaste.